different du'as are recited at the beginning of the fast, during the Suhoor. Which is the most authentic?
As far as reciting any dua, I do not know of any Sahih hadith in which the Prophet has recited any dua at the Suhoor time, or any of the Sahaba has mentioned any dua. I don't know of any. In fact, what our Prophet said, it's mentioned in the hadith of Tirmidhi in the book of fasting, hadith number 730. Our beloved Prophet said that anyone who has not intended to fast before dawn, there's no fast for him. The Prophet so said, hadith of Sunan Nisai in the book of fasting, hadith number 2331. Our beloved Prophet ﷺ said, there is no fast for a person who has not intended to fast the night before. That means intention is compulsory for fasting. It should be done before the break of dawn, or as the hadith says, that the night before. Means any time before the break of dawn, you can intend. But when you intend, you need not say it loudly. It's not required, because you intend in the heart. So the main thing is intend in your heart that you're going to fast, and that's sufficient. When you want to pray, you intend, you do niyah for praying, and you pray. You don't have to say it loudly. The same way, you don't have to say that I intend to fast. But many people, many of the Muslims have invented words in Arabic or in different languages that I intend to fast tomorrow, etc., which we don't find in any of the Sahih hadith, and neither do we find in the sayings of the Prophet or of the Sahabas. So the best is to intend in your heart, that's it, and there's no particular dua for Suhoor.